Project Lebanon 2025 kicked off its 26th International Trade Exhibition for Construction, Energy and Environmental Solutions at the Seaside Arena. The event brought together visionaries, industry leaders and investors to explore new opportunities.
Here as well, Project Lebanon for Italy has been a long-standing commitment and a constant presence. Our enterprises and businesses are always very much interested, and we believe that this year especially can be a sort of stepstone in order to develop even more projects together with the local counterparts, and covering a large range of needs, especially in view of an effort to reconstruct Lebanon after last year.
The war in 2024 left deep scars on Lebanon's infrastructure, with the housing and construction sectors among the hardest hit. These sectors now face the urgent challenge of rebuilding and restoring the nation's core infrastructure.
Artificial intelligence and deep technology.
After the recent war, people need to start rebuilding their homes, and the government needs to rebuild its infrastructure, especially in the south. This exhibition is a platform where different exhibitors can show their latest products and technologies regarding the construction, infrastructure, and everything related to construction.
Through innovation, collaboration and sustainable solutions, both local and international public and private stakeholders had a place to network and exchange expertise.
La CCI France-Liban fait partie des chambres de commerce françaises à l'international. Il y a 120 chambres dans 95 pays. Et le rôle de la chambre ici à Project Lebanon est de mettre en avant la France, les sociétés françaises, puisqu'on sait tous qu'il y a un lien très fort entre la France et le Liban.
The exhibition is set to continue until May 9, 2025.